If you are struggling with your credit score for a long time, I have the best solution for you in my hand. This ebook costs $49, but I am giving it to you for free. It's a limited time offer. Download now and solve your credit problems. I have put the link in the video description.
You see it everywhere online. Fix your credit fast. But what if your credit isn't just a little bruised? What if it's been through a war? I'm talking late payments, accounts and collections, maybe even a bankruptcy. Can 6 months really make a dent in that kind of damage? Let's get real. It all depends on your starting point. So we're going to cut through the noise and show you what's actually possible, what's a complete myth, and the steps you can take to see a genuine change in your score. If your biggest issue is a high credit card balance, then yes, you could see a pretty satisfying jump in your score in a month or two. But if you have heavy-duty negative marks, like a foreclosure or bankruptcy, 6 months isn't going to magically wipe the slate clean. For those situations, this is your time to stop the bleeding and start building a powerful comeback story. And honestly, that progress alone can be life-changing. So, where do you get the most bang for your buck? Fast? You need to focus on the two giants of credit scoring, your payment history and how much credit you're using. First, let's talk about your credit utilization. That's the percentage of your available credit that you're using. While there's no magic number, the general rule is to keep it low. If you're using more than 30% of your limit, it's likely weighing your score down. For the fastest results, aim to get those balances under 10%. Here's the key. Pay down your balance before your statement closing date. That's because lenders usually report your balance to the bureaus once a month, right around your statement date. A lower reported balance can lead to a quicker score increase. Second, make late payments impossible. Set up automatic payments for every single one of your bills. Even one slip-up can sabotage your hard work, so take human error out of the equation. Building a long line of on-time payments is the single most powerful thing you can do for your score. Here's a step that a surprising number of people just skip. Actually read your credit reports. You can get them for free every week from the major bureaus at annualcreditreport.com. A lot of reports have errors on them, mistakes that could be unfairly dragging down your score. Disputing these inaccuracies can be an incredibly effective way to boost your score, but only if the item is genuinely an error or can't be verified. This isn't a loophole for legitimate negative marks, but it's a critical step for a fair score. All right, let's talk about the heavy hitters, collections and bankruptcies. 6 months won't make them vanish. Most negative information stays on your report for 7 years. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy can stick around for 10 years, while a Chapter 13 lasts for 7. You may have also heard about civil judgments, but the good news is that since 2018, they no longer appear on your standard credit reports. But here's the important part. The work you're doing now, paying everything on time, keeping balances low, starts telling a new story on your credit report. And while those old items have a set expiration date, their impact on your score usually starts to fade long before they fall off completely. So, can you fix your credit in 6 months? You can absolutely make huge, measurable progress that lays the foundation for an excellent score down the road. It isn't about finding some secret hack. It's about taking the right steps, consistently. You're starting the journey to get back in control of your finances, and that's a win that matters more than any 3-digit number.